So that's just what it's like out at the moment. It's just really windy and a bit of rain, but it's not the worst thing. So we'll see in another while what it's like. I'm gonna go back to sleep now because I'm really tired. I'm just having some Lucky Charms for breakfast. So good and so sugary.
This is Dean vlogging for Amy while I go look for some hot water for the noodles. Shitty chicken noodles. A lot of people are out. Doesn't look that bad out.
So we've literally been in the room all day. I haven't vlogged anything because we were just lying here, and then we fell asleep for ages as well. And then we woke up and there was 2 messages on the phone saying that the storm basically has passed here and that it's safe to go out now and that Disney Springs is open. So we're gonna go get the car and get dinner because oh my god, we literally had these noodles and they were just disgusting and we're starving. So at least we'll be able to get something good to eat, and the parks are back open proper tomorrow now. Like nothing really happened with the storm. It just got really windy and it didn't even rain that much either. But the out at the sea, like the seaside kind of town things, they got a bit wrecked, but it still wasn't as bad as what they thought it was going to be. Which is good because I literally thought it was going to wreck the place the way they were going on. But anyways, at least we're safe now. Look at this person's reg. It's Ravenclaw and then it says Ministry of Magic authorized Muggle vehicle. Coolest reg ever. I got these tacos with tater tots, and then got a chicken burger on Texas toast with crinkle chips. Looks really good. Show me the inside of it. So everywhere is still kind of closed, so we're gonna go around and look. This is we're looking at some of the resorts. So we just drove to Animal Kingdom Lodge to have a look what it's like. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Also, look at the size of this McFlurry. Giant. So this is like the lobby. Seats everywhere. This is so like so bad.
Oh, it's right.
Oh my god, that is so cool. This is inside, by the way. So I don't know how much you can see out there, but we're at a window and it's looking out onto the savannah. There's no animals out, but still, imagine if there was. There's a bridge up there in the reception area. It's so good, and they also have loads of games on for kids. Oh my god, look at this little cozy area. So cool. This is still in the reception area. And there's loads of seats down there. I think you can sit in them and then you can see out to the animals during the day. It's literally so cool. Even the lift is African. So this is the whole reception area from the upper level. So cool. pool seats. The carpet is like giraffe print as well. We're going out to the pool.
Curve around it.
Overlook, it's this one.
Beds. This is gonna be the pool area.
Alright, catch the baby.
It's a big huge pool. And they get balconies as well. There's the playground. Also, there's literally trees everywhere, so it really is like African-y. Like it's real jungly or something, or savanna-y, whatever you want to call it.
Oh my god, loads of flamingos.
What? Oh, there's the flamingo pool. There's the flamingos. You can't really see them well, but they're there. So we're at one of the lookout areas. You can't see anything. Obviously they were all taken in because of the storm, which is good. So we're gonna come back probably in a few days in the daytime to see what we can see. People playing games is cool. Bubbles. So we just came out to the Boardwalk Hotel now. It looks so nice. We just drove by the entrance. We'll probably see it now in a minute. But yeah, we drove down here because we're dying to have a look in it. And what was I going to say as well, like we actually never knew this, but if you're like staying in Disney, you can park your car in all the parks and the resorts for free, and it's usually like $20 a day, so that's a really good thing as well. Like when we were in Universal, we had to pay, it was only like $13 for the, or $12 a night in the Cabana Bay, but still, like if you were staying there for long, and it all added up. But I think it's really good the way Disney do that, and they don't question you around when you're going into the other resorts, like they just let you in. We're just backing around now, and Boardwalk Hotel is literally so good. It's like set in the early 1900s, or it's just deadly, like it's proper themed to that like century or whatever you want to call it. It's just so good. Like I've just never seen that like that before, which was really cool. Also, we went into that Abracadabra and we just got cocktails, but they were oh my god, I can't talk, I'm sorry. They were non-alcoholic, and they were nice. Like I wouldn't be like, oh, go and get one. Like they weren't special. They were only a $5 though, which was fine, so it wasn't too bad. But like you're giving them in a plastic cup and all, which I thought was weird. Like I went in because I thought you'd get this fancy cocktail, and that's why I went into it. But still go and have a look at it because it's really cool looking. But I just don't think the drinks are worth the money, and especially because you were non-alcoholic as well. Like we forgot our ID because we didn't know we were going, and that's why we weren't able to get alcohol drinks. Literally paying like a $5 for juice and ice is just a bit weird, and it was like pure sugar, so it was weird. But really cool place though. Tomorrow we're going to Animal Kingdom and Hollywood Studios, so I'm dying to go back to the parks. It literally feels like we haven't been in them in ages. Oh shit, I dropped my camera. Even though it's only been 2 days, but like when you come here you literally just want to be out all the time. Like staying in today was so hard for the day, and like last night as well, because you just know you can be doing so much stuff. So I'm dying to go back out. What else? Like when they opened Disney Springs today, you want to see the amount of buses that came. Like it was so good the way they done it. But then I heard that, like we just went and got the car, we didn't stay around Disney Springs, but I heard on Twitter and all that the waits for food were like 2 hours long and everything, so I'm glad we didn't stay there. And then there was only a few places open around Orlando as well. I can't remember if I said about Tin Roof, but it was, my god, my food was literally unreal, and it was only like $24 for the two of us. It was so good. Like that was actually one of my favourite foods that I've gotten here so far, so I really loved it. Yeah, so that was our day, and tomorrow's gonna be fun. Today is the day the hurricane is coming, and we decided we're just gonna stay in the resort because basically like there's a warning for the whole lot of the east coast of Florida,